Hello, my name is Jennifer Bowen, and I'm going to do an overview of cognitive learning theory. Last week, I was trying to teach my students in my third grade class how to do long division. They were having trouble learning the ways that I was teaching them. So what do I do? So learning from my psychology class, I've learned about a theory called cognitivism. So what is cognitivism? It will help me teach a difficult subject like long division. Cognitivism is a learning theory that focuses on how information is received, organized, stored, and retrieved by the mind. Cognitivism views the mind as an information processor, like a computer. For example, instructions should be organized, sequenced, and presented in a manner that is understandable and meaningful to the learner. Cognitivism emphasizes on retention and recall through the use of quality teaching practices. Cognitivism is used in the classroom to develop classroom lessons and help students learn higher order thinking skills. Common lessons include starting with a hook to create interest and engage the students into the learning. We also could activate prior knowledge by beginning a lesson with a review quiz. Also, chunking information to comprehend and digest the parts of the learning. We could also use graphic organizers to help structure and relate content. These are all examples of cognitivism at work in the classroom. Now, let me try to apply the principles of cognitivism to help me solve my teaching problem. First, I need to decide on what skills my students need to know and understand about long division. My students should know, in order to understand long division, students should know basic multiplication, basic division, and subtracting numbers. Also, I need to do some sequencing instruction by teaching prerequisite skills such as multiplication, simple division, and subtraction first. It will help my students build upon prior knowledge to better learn and understand how long division works. I need to prepare two things too to help my students. I created a mnemonic device to remind my students to divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Such as does, divide, McDonald's, multiply, serve, subtract, burgers, bring down. Also, I also created a color-coded poster walking my students through the steps of long division, step by step. If students get stuck, they can look at the poster to help them cue their memory. After implementing these principles of cognitivism to my students, they're doing a much better job of understanding, retaining, recalling the long division process. After using cognitivism in my classroom, it really helped my students learn the long division process. Thumbs up. Thanks to my psychology class for teaching me about cognitivism.